Until My Heart Takes End, ako yung nag-discover kay Ella May. Ella May Saison, before I used to handle a bar, ako yung entertainment director, yung Versamin sa Makati Jupiter. Siya kadati, vocalista ng Art Start. Nireject yan ng Till My Heart Aches. Nireject yan. So, dahil sa kagustuhan ko siya, gusto ko yung song na maipasok for Ella May kasi naramdaman ko na parang pag kinanta niya, bagay na bagay sa kanya. Pagkatapos, nag-promote kami ng first song, yung Bakit Ba yung title ng Ella May Tagalog na malasamba-sambal sound. Hindi pinatulan, hindi pumasok. Yung Till My Heart Takes End, nung pinanomote nila, puk! Grabe yung kanta. Well, ang biggest take-off ko is nung nanalo ko sa Metropop noong 1982. Kasi from a struggling songwriter. Alam mo naman sa atin, ang daming magagaling na songwriters. Napakaswerte ko na out of maraming writers, I was able to make it in the finals as one of the finalists. Tapos nanalo ako ng grand prize yung isang dakot, sung by Sonia Simpson. Tapos sunod-sunod na yun. May Singapore, may Indonesia, Yogyakarta, Indonesia.
Aside from churning out soon-to-be OPM classics, one of Benny's greatest achievements is the revitalization of the Pinoy music scene in the early 90s. And swamped by foreign acts, the industry had a breath of fresh air with Bakit Pa, sung by Jel Zaragoza.
Bakit Pa? Yung song na yan, nirecord ng isang Canadian-Filipino. Ang first version yan, Eli Torrenueva. Nirecord yan. And then I was suggesting na yan ang single mo kasi mas bagay sa personality mo. Medyo masa, but hindi siya nakinig sa akin. Pinilit niyang English ang ilabas niya, yung kanyang composition. And nung nire-record ko yung album ni Jessa, run out na kami ng time. We need to finish the album. Nagkanap ko ng isang kanta na pwede maging filler nung song. Na-pick up ko yung Bakit Pa. Immediately nirecord namin. Nag-promote kami kasi iniisip ko nung Jessa, ang first impression ko parang pwede kong gawin parang Tony Braxton. So, the first single is Sound Alike Mala Tony Braxton, yung first song. Unfortunately, hindi pinick up. Nung nilagay yung Bakit Pa, puk! Grabe talaga.
Parang di ko yata kaya pag sa buhay ko'y wala ka, aanhin ng pag-ibig kung puso ay nag-iisa. Sino nga kita tawagin? Sino nga kita hanapin? Sino ang magpupuno sa aking paglalambing?
Naalala ko noon, before mag-hit yung Bakit Pa, ang song na talagang hindi matalo-talo sa countdown, yung song ni Celine Dion, yung My Heart Will Go On. Talagang, naku, months na yata yun na talagang hindi matinag. May mga DJs na ayaw ako patugtugin kasi parang, sino yan? Trying hard kumanta or, you know. So, pero nung narinig na ng tao, tsaka nung tao na yung nagre-request, sabi nga nila, parang wala na rin silang magawa but to play the song. Napunta na sa countdown yung Bakit Pa, nag-number 1 na siya sa halos lahat ng radio stations. So, doon na nagsimula yung success.
Ay aking kakayanin.
From a sexy actress, naging singer, trend singer.
Nagbago yung image ko dito sa show business. Kumbaga, 180-degree turn na nag-iba talaga, pati yung respeto ng tao.
Miss Jessa Zaragoza, ladies and gentlemen.
In terms of songwriting, siguro yung one sitting na matapos mo yung kanta, yun, malaking influence niya sa akin kasi magandang magandang style ng writing na tapusin mo agad basta sinimulan mo sa oras na yun. Para yung momentum mo dire-diretso, ganun kasi siya magsulat. So yun, natutunan ko sa kanya na maganda yun. It's a learning experience. I really enjoy writing at the same time. So natututo ako at nag-e-enjoy. Saka pagkatrabaho ko siya, walang masyadong pressure kasi syempre magtatay kami.
That you still can you hurt me this way? Everything I do was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ended? Now you can even say that you will stay. How could you say you love me when you would go and leave me? How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone can do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of you. I can't seem to understand how can love be so unkind. Still you broke my heart despite what I've done. Still my love is not enough, though I've given you my all. I can't take it anymore.
How Could You Say You Love Me? Melody muna yung ginawa ko niyan. And the lyrics was written by my sister, si Doris Saturno. Ngayon, yung lyrics niya, hindi ko alam kung paano yung sinasabi yung How Could You Say You Love Me. And habi ko nga sa kanya, every time na, gaya ng si Papsi, tsaka yung kapatid ko, every time na binigay ko sa kanila yung melody, isipin niyo muna, analyze yung mabuti kung anong direction ng melody. Sabi ko nga, even na wala pa yung lyrics, dapat alam mo kung paano ang gustong sabihin ng singer. Kaya dapat, kung siya umiiyak yung kanta, dapat umiiyak. Kung masaya yung kanta, dapat masaya rin yung lyrics.